Do you think I am? I don't give a fuck about your Instagram. Fly away, little Peter Pan. Now you know who the fuck I am. Who the hell?
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new.